Hey everyone, in today's video I'm going to explain automatic maintenance in Windows 11. What it is, what it does and how you can control it. Don't worry, if you are a beginner, I will explain everything in a very simple and easy way. So let's get started. What is automatic maintenance? Automatic maintenance is a feature in Windows 11 that keeps your PC healthy and fast by doing important tasks in the background. What it does, running security and virus scan, checking for system and app updates, optimizing your hard drive or SSD, cleaning temporary and junk files, detecting and fixing system errors. The best part, you won't have to do anything. Windows performs these tasks automatically, usually at night or when your PC is idle. And now we will going to dive into where to find automatic maintenance. The first step, open the Start menu and search your Control Panel. After coming over into Control Panel, if your interface doesn't look like mine, then you can simply click on this View By and select Category. And then your interface will looks like mine. After that, here we will going to click on Go for System and Security. After coming over System and Security, we will going to get the first option called Security and Maintenance. So if you click on Security and Maintenance, then we're going to find Security and Maintenance option. If we expand the Maintenance option, and then here we will going to see the Automatic Maintenance option. If you want to change when automatic maintenance runs, we can do that too. By simply click on Change Maintenance Settings and select the time you want. Like example, I can simply select it into 2 AM. You can simply allow scheduled maintenance to wake up my computer at the scheduled time. Well, this is another topic, but I will going to define you in a very simple way. If your computer is turned off, it will going to automatically turn on and wake you up your computer and going to run the maintenance. If you don't want it, then you can simply unselect it. And after that, by selecting your time, you can simply click on OK here. And that's it. You can also run maintenance whenever you want. For that, you can simply go for expand the maintenance option, and into the automatic maintenance option, you can get the option called Start Maintenance. So if you click on the Start Maintenance, it will automatically perform all maintenance tasks immediately. For that, you don't need any of timer set to doing it. And that's it for today. This is everything you need to know about automatic maintenance in Windows 11. I hope you found this video helpful. If you learned something new, make sure to like, comment and subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.